Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with a Google Sheet automation, and this is a bit simpler one. And what we need, we have a column in session, and we need to select the hours. And as soon as we select the hours, there should be a timestamp of with the current timestamp, starting with the current timestamp and adding the selected hours. So if I'll select 4 in here, doesn't matter if there is a date or name available or not. So you'll see the current time here is 12:05 p.m. and I have added the 4 hours, so it become 4:05. If I'll select 9 hours on this one, so it's working fine and without any authorization or anything else. Now there could be some scenarios which I want to discuss. If you want to make sure that there is something on the name and date side, then use this column. If there is no name available or no date is available, then do not activate this code. And maybe you want to highlight those red or green. I don't know how you're using it. I'm just pitching my suggestions. So this is the one suggestion. So this should only work when there is a name or a date or maybe both. Then there is a second option that once I select the 9 hours, maybe you want to make the change. Oh, no, I don't want to select the 9 hours. I want to select the 6 hours. So maybe you can select 6 hours and you will see it turn to 6 a.m., 6. So this is one option. And the second option is that once someone selects the hour session, if and the timestamp is there, do not make the change again and again if someone selects. So there are two scenarios. If someone selects it by mistake and you want to make the change, then it's okay. It's there. But if you don't want, like if someone selects 9 hours and a timestamp is there, now you don't want to make the change until and unless, like what I'm trying to say here is that if someone is now changing it to back to 5 hours, it won't change because the time is already there. So still you can make the change by removing it and then selecting 5 hours. So once there is a time already available, it won't override the previous time. I don't know if you need that or not. And yeah, I think that's it. And it's already checking if Steven is already there in the system or not. Okay, I think you want me to make the change. Let me make the change. I think it's not working properly. Actually, I think it is working. Let me just copy paste the name in here and let's see. All right, so I just added the name in here and added a random date, and I have added the functionality that if you will double click on any of these column cell, it will show you a calendar so that you can easily select the date. And if it shows the active, so Stephen is active on this sheet, it will show yes already. But if Stephen is not there, let me make a change in the name. It should show no, and it is working fine. So that's it. And yeah, I have also updated this column so that once you double click on it, it will give you the date as well. Let me do it. All right, now if you double click on it, it will show you the drop down from which you can select the date. So that is it from my side. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.